Hi, I'm Matt Crandall with 911R, and this is our 1960 Ferrari 250 short wheelbase GTO Engineering. So this Ferrari was built by GTO Engineering. It is built on a chassis that came from the descendant of Napoleon. It was Napoleon VI personal car originally. It was a 250 GTE. Then they built this car, this beautiful car, GTO Engineering, in a tribute to a Ferrari 250 short wheelbase, one of the most famous Ferrari's body styles ever done. This is an all aluminum chassis. It is built with the GTO Engineering complete engine that is a 3.5 performance build as in their spec. This is part of their revival series at GTO Engineering. GTO Engineering has been around since 1983. They started out as a Ferrari restoration shop and have gone on to support many of the early Ferrari race cars and GTOs and Testarossas, and now they have the revival series. This is a very, very special car. It's all hand-formed aluminum body with the Colombo V12 3.5 liter. It's just completely beautiful. I mean, I can't imagine a better car to own. It's important to note this relationship between Napoleon VI and Ferrari. Ferrari even mentions him in his autobiography about how great a client and friend he was to Ferrari. This chassis number on this car is one of his cars, and it's very well documented. That chassis number, is now attached to this car, and it is has been recognized by Ferrari as this car now. So you're getting a real Ferrari chassis number with an amazing history of Napoleon. I mean, how cool is that to tell your friends? This car, is, like I said, is all aluminum, and the body, chassis, everything is close to reproduction of the original car. So on the inside here, we have the beautiful tobacco, deep brown leather. This is all Italian spec leather. You have all the proper gauges, shift gear, linkage, Ferrari steering wheel. I do like it has a slightly smaller steering wheel, makes it easier to get in and out than what the original car would have been. So I'm 6 foot, 200 pounds. I fit in this car very easily, lots of room. You can see everything is just as precise and special as you can. This car has the polished aluminum Borrani spoke wheels on it. It also does come with a set of painted wheels, Borrani wheels. Look identical to this, but they're just the painted version that come with the car. That's how the car came out of the factory, but I think a lot of people like the polished Borranis as well. So that's what we get this look. But coming around, you have the really cool racing style fill, the big exhaust tips coming out the back, the Bordeaux racing stripes, and again, this paint quality is something you would see at Pebble Beach. It is as good as it gets. You can't even feel the paint stripes on it. But all the badging, the tail lights, everything is as correct as possibly can be. It has a built-in roll bar for safety. You can set it up with harnesses if you want to, if you're going out and doing big rally or something, want extra safety. It has an electric AC system built into it, so that's a very nice modern upgrade. But again, just touching and feeling and everything, this car is as Ferrari as anything can be. Our background and everything, we've been around lots of these cars, and I've sold a lot of Ferraris over the years, and this is probably one of my favorite cars I've ever seen. Just again, I want to show the dash and the gauges, the switch gear. It's very easy to drive. It's got a very light, smooth clutch. The pedals all work very easily. It's a very comfortable car. Again, I couldn't imagine a better car to go out on a classic car rally, a Ferrari event, anything. Again, I've had this car out a couple times. I've never had a car draw attention like this car does. It's very special. The chassis and the suspension on this car, part of the performance package, has aluminum calipers and disc brakes all the way around, has double wishbone front suspension, solid axle rear. This all makes this car really drive just proper and easy. It's not like you're driving a scary vintage car. This is, just a car you can get in and go and rip and do these rallies or spirited drives you want to. If you have any questions about the car, please use the contact seller button. We're happy to set up inspections. If you're ever interested in 911R representing a car for you, please use the contact seller button. We'd happy to help you out. Thank you and good luck.